Homika has sold over 130,000 of these cordless vacuums, and I am so ready to put it to the rice test. Everyone on TikTok says that you can pick up the rice and it doesn't spray it all over the floor, and they are right. This is me doing it in real time, and it picks it all up. It did not leave one single piece of rice. This lightweight vacuum is very powerful, so it is kind of loud, but I can get over that because it picks up everything. I don't have to keep going over this one spot to make sure that it's done. And it has a 50-minute runtime depending on what setting you choose. Plus, there's no annoying cord. Right now, they're doing a huge sale, so you can get your Homika H320 for less than $100 plus free shipping. There's also a couple of different color options you can choose from, so I'll drop the link below and you guys can check it out.